Ask anyone that has enjoyed a scalp or head and shoulder massage from a trained masseur if they feel better for it. The answer is a universal yes. Head massages are hard to beat for relaxation. But what happens to our bodies when we receive a head, scalp, and neck massage? How does it work? Does kneading and stroking the part of the body surrounding the brain elicit some physiological response, or is it all in our head, literally?
If you are new here, then you might first want to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss our regular documentaries. Every week we publish 5 such information-based videos.
The primary aim of massage therapy is to improve someone's well-being. This may happen by targeting the causes of particular symptoms, such as neck pain, back pain, stress, and anxiety. Massage can also boost feelings of happiness and relaxation by the mere acts of laying on hands. Humans and animals show positive responses to touch. Babies will not survive without parental touch, and in fact, human touch decreases pain symptoms in newborns. Studies that examine the links between pain relief and touch show promising results. Despite the relatively immobile skull, small muscles around the head respond well to touch. And this part of the body is the closest to the brain, which processes sensations. The parts of the body that typically receive massage are the back and legs. Massage helps ease muscle spasms and knots in parts of the body prone to tightness and tension. Obviously, the scalp and back of the head contain only small muscles that play no part in moving your body around or resisting heavy loads. But tension can build up in this area. And new studies have found that the body's response to touch near the head is more complex than we once thought. Massage treatment reduced depression symptoms, decreased feelings of boredom, and positively influenced anxiety levels. Another benefit was the feeling of liveliness. The physical and mental benefits of massage are linked. Psychosomatic therapy has always looked at how the mind influences the body, but this mind-body concept is increasingly accepted these days. External stimuli has the power to alter our brain chemistry, which affects our body. We now know our state of mind can influence our gut health and vice versa. Negative thoughts and sensations can have a detrimental effect on our physical appearance. And the reverse is also true. Physical pain or discomfort can lead to mental strain and depression. Experts are currently examining a link between the use of head massage and improved recovery from illness and injury. A study found that head massage reduced muscle tension, energized participants, and helped patients deal with negative psychological experiences. Regrowth of hair is one of the touted benefits of head massage. But what's the science behind it? Can follicles of hair grow back from the power of touch on the scalp? Well, as far-fetched as it might seem, there is evidence of hairy growth in clinical trials of stretching forces, similar to the effects of a scalp massage. A study from 2018 showed that after several months of a standardized scalp massage test on men, hair thickness increased significantly. The main cause of male baldness is the DHT molecule, a male sex hormone. Balding caused by hormones cannot be reversed by scalp or head massage. However, the increased blood flow to the scalp from massaging the scalp can strengthen the hair follicles and prevent further hair loss. There's even such a thing as a brain massage, a treatment that uses electrical or magnetic pulses to stimulate the cells of the brain. It's early days, but the research team found the potential for health improvements in a number of areas, one of which is memory improvement. Researchers help to use the discovery to benefit Alzheimer's sufferers. Another form of brain massage is the concept of binaural beats. This might sound like a headphone product by famous rappers, but it's actually a scientific term for a type of audio technology said to induce meditative-like effects and improve concentration and memory. ASMR, a neurological term which might not be familiar by name, is autonomous sensory meridian response. But if we mention the phrase head orgasm, it might ring a bell, or at least grab your attention. Remember the tingling, pleasurable sensation you feel when the hairdresser massages your scalp? That's one way in which ASMR is induced. They've called it one of the most powerful wellness techniques. There's no denying that a head massage is an amazing experience. Just try it. But ASMR is a new sensory phenomenon that uses triggers such as sound and slow movements to generate the tingling sensation. Researchers found that the treatment may benefit people suffering from depression. ASMR sensations can be felt in the back of the head and can move to the upper and lower back. At present, the underlying mechanisms that help create these sensations are unknown. All we know is that the mood improvements that ASMR offers should generate more studies in the scientific community. And head massage, in any form, should be part of your health regime.
Hope you found information in this video useful. If yes, then hit the like button below and share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you don't miss our daily videos. Thank you.